certain times when you park in a parking garage, there is leakage, I guess you would say, that goes onto your paint and it can stain your paint.
So what harsh water stains can indicate is that water is leaking from one floor to the next, which may indicate that there's pooling water or poor drainage going on.
But I have like a simple cure for this. You don't need to go to a body shop. I will show you how to fix this. Let's do this, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take IGL Delete right here. Gonna put this on my microfibre, and then let's go on the hood. And I'm gonna let it sit for just a little bit because it's gonna eat through it and like it will wipe away like it's never been there. And I like to let it sit. I don't want to sit and scrape at it because obviously when you sit there and scrape at paint, it you could get that micro scratching. But for the most part, this is, like I said, literally you can just kind of like wipe it away.
So in order to get this product, you have to be an authorized professional detailer through IGL Coatings, which you can go to iglcoatingsusa.com. And if you work at a body shop, you can also go to that website and get approved through there as well.
So if you have an issue with these sort of stains on your car, reach out to IGL Coatings, reach out to me, reach out to one of the representatives, but this is the most effective way to get rid of these sort of stains on your paint. You do not need to go to a body shop. Save thousands of dollars. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, ring that notification bell and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.